Okay, guys, this is from my grade 12 class, really grade 11 as well, grade 10. Basically, I'm looking at, we're talking about drawing faces, okay? And this is not about going into in-depth analysis of the components or measurements, but I'm just going to go kind of through the process of me observing and talking out loud as I think about drawing one of these shots, okay? So what do I got? So what do I have? I have 4 images here, and I'm looking at quality of visual lighting. In terms of lighting, I think it's these 2 here, and this is a tiny one. So, you know, what I'm basically saying is bring good solid references, okay? When you do a search on Google, look for high resolution images, okay? This one over here would be low res, so I'm gonna say bye-bye. Bye-bye to those 2 as well. I'll leave this one on. I'll go to the layer here and I'll just move it over here. I haven't done any warm-ups yet, so I'm gonna have to kind of warm up here. Let's see if I can pull this off. Okay, I think I've been having good luck with this. All right, somewhere in here. Okay, with this pencil here. This is just beautiful. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Okay, right here, this one here. I don't know what it's called, but it's there. Not that one. I don't know why that keeps popping. It's the yellow, black and white, black, yellow stripe pencil there. Okay. Yeah, good times. Noise in the background. All right, so let's go with brush. Let's warm up first, okay, as a gesture, and I'm just doing this for fun. I'm seeing something really cool happening here. So you can see that like our figure drawing approach might just be really cool here. Okay, so we can go in here, just do stuff like this, just for fun, you know what I mean? Like just go in here and go, yeah, you know, this is what I'm seeing. And you know, somewhere over here, I'm gonna say this is the bottom of the jaw here. Somewhere over here is the hairline. So I'm just gonna come in here and just, you know, like look how rough I'm working here. And there's an angle here, right? Like there's this angle. This is really beautiful. Look, comes over and then softens up. So I need to keep these 2 parallel. Angle. She's slightly tilted, right? So that's kind of cool to kind of look. Here's the chin, right? And I'm just going in like this. Here's her basically hairline, nice, right? And then in here, notice that we have this indentation here, right? This is beautiful stuff. I'm just thinking here. I'm just playing around with proportions, saying nose somewhere over here. Okay, maybe I need to go a little darker here for you guys to see this. Okay, so somewhere over here is the nose, here's the mouth, as you know. Okay, okay, so this seems to me right now, I've elongated her face more than I need to. So what I might end up doing here is that I may just come in here and just go, you know, somewhere over here, and I'll just come up like this right now. I'm just going to go with her eyebrows, just to give me a sense of where things are, okay? So normally it's diagonal strokes and then curve them over like that. Okay, so that's what I would do here. Okay, so we got something like this here, and just block it out, block it out. Don't do anything too serious, okay? So there's that, somewhere bun over there possibly. I've got this angle here, and I have her ears, and they go, notice where the ears, they're receding in perspective. Okay, something like this. So if I go diagonally, so I'm thinking it's somewhere here. Okay, and always draw it on an angle if you can. Like, don't draw it like this, okay? Don't do the ears like that. We are not stylizing like various artists who do this, right? We're not doing that. That's stylized. Okay, so I've got 10 minutes before the bell goes, right? So we'll just do something like this, and then what I usually do is I just come in like that and leave it. That's the extent of my ears, okay? So we're looking at this. Let's see, what else can I do? Can I come in here and maybe come over like that? Possibly, yeah. And the middle part here looks beautiful. Look, 1, 2, go in. And the mouth will take some time, but I'm just trying to curve it so that it goes around here. It's not flat, so you can't draw it straight. You got to think of the contour. It's a cylinder that's going over, right? So anyway, that's what I'm seeing. I'm just going to come down here, bottom of the lip, okay? Just minimal stuff, okay? You don't have to commit too much. Okay, I think this is too short right now. She has more space here than I'm actually providing, which is part of my observation as I'm drawing. Okay, guys, and so we're not bad here. We're not bad. Okay, so this is kind of cool. We're in here. All right, so a couple things I said to you guys. When we're doing eyes, I'd like to maybe work on 3 strokes. One up, one horizontal, and one down. Okay, and then I'm looking here. This one's going somewhat straight down and then over there. Okay, so that's the base. Just so you know, there's a socket here, right? That is very important for us to know. And then what I do is I come in here and I round this off. I soften it up, okay? So I'll do something like this. And if you want to stylize it, you can actually go in like that, all right? So the next one here, I'll come in here and I'm just going to add form here. Look, I'm giving like a plane in there, okay? And her eye is something like this, okay? So you just think about the entire pupil. Look, it's that. But we're going to come in here like this, and we're just going to do this for now, okay? So just leave it like that. So look, that's what I have at the moment, and I'm coming in here, okay? And then sometimes I even go in here like this, okay? And so notice the amount of space here, okay? There's not a lot of space, okay? So I'm just going to go into the socket here, go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then notice this here is the end, right? So this part where the volume changes, the planes of the head changes, is right about the eyebrow here. Okay, so I'm keeping that in mind. So I'm just going 1, 2, 3 over, and I said straight down across, and I'm just going to go something like that. Okay, so we can do the other side as well. It's 11:07. We're doing good here. So we'll just keep it simple. Don't stylize it right away. Just do the basic form, okay? Just come in here, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully that works. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. It's called practice, right? Here it is. Now I have this one here. Okay, so I'm looking at this right now. Already I can see that I am really widened her face. So what I could do is, if I want to fix this, so a couple things you can do, okay? What I would suggest is, let's see, does my right click work? Okay, duplicate layer. I'll just go like that for now. Okay, so watch. I'm going to hide the one underneath. I'm in the second one, right? So if I create a selection here, for example, right? Again, I don't want this to be perfectly accurate, whatever. I'm just thinking out loud. I can also come in here and say to myself, you know what? Tilt this a bit more, bring it in more, something like that, okay? So too much, obviously, right? But look how, wow, man, she's got beautiful cheekbones, everything, right? This is maybe Photoshop perfectly there in terms of the lighting and the makeup and so forth. I don't know. I'm guessing. So Command D worked. Okay, good. So this will be my second, basically, attempt here. So the first draft was that. Okay, whatever. So now let's go into, as I said earlier, let's go into cheekbones here, okay? Let's go in here and see. And I'm really accentuating at this point, okay? So I'm turning and like, look, I really pushed this way too much, okay? It's too soon to do that. There's nice space in here. Hang on a second, let's go in here. Look at all the, where am I? Why can't I see this? Hold on a second. Okay, let's go, it's super bright, okay? So look at this plane here. Look at that, I'm not showing it. See, I'm off, I'm way off. So now let's continue with that color, okay? So something like this. Let's see. So she's got this, and basically we've got here, I'm softening this up, I'm coming down, I'm looking at the proportions here, going over. I'll add this right now, and then maybe do something like this, okay? So we got that. The hair is in here, and then I can come in here, and I have forgot to do this part because I'm talking so much. Come in here, round this off here, and I like to bring this down lower. Look how she goes. 1, 2, 3, down. So it goes up, over. So she comes down like this, okay? Let's see what we got here. The pupil is somewhere here, okay? So we'll just go just a little low. If you want, you can just darken it like this, okay? And the next one is somewhere over here. And then we have to watch our proportions here. And then what I'll do is I'll come in here and add another layer in there like this. And I'm just going to give eyebrows and eyelashes. Okay, so we're going like that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn like that. Okay, so I basically went like this. 1, 2, 3 in this direction. Okay, and then what I'm doing is I'm turning my work. So I'm turning my lines to pick up this plane change. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. And this is me learning, guys. I'm not a pro here. I'm not a master on this. Not that, everybody learns, and this is what I'm doing. I can come in here and soften this up. So look, I overdid it here, so I can come down, and then there's this part here. That's beautiful. Okay, so there, I have this done. Okay, I would consider this for you guys as one drawing. Okay, so let's look at the neck here. Do you see this part of the cheekbone? Watch, comes down. Isn't that nice? Look at this, beautiful, beautiful. Oh man, this is nice. Look, comes in. And watch what's happening here. Now, this is the dominant line here. Look, right here. I know you can't see that, but this is the dominant line. Then we've got the clavicle coming up here, which is beautiful, right? So that's it. This is it. You've done your first drawing. And again, I'm going to say to you guys, I'm not looking for contour drawing. I'm not looking for someone to go like this, make it perfect, and then go like that and go, here you go, I've got this and that done, whatever. So no contour drawing. I want to see construction. I want to see this. And as you can see, I was talking to myself. I was saying, you know what? Maybe I don't even need to go this detailed here, right? So see, you can come in here and fix this up. There's almost like a two-bun method here. I don't know what that is. Not a girl. Don't understand. But I do my best to observe, okay? So see, come in here and say, yeah, this is the reference. Take a screenshot. Command-Shift-3, boom. Now you can say, Mr. Ballin, I got one. So week 2 is about 2 drawings. So again, I know I said this to you guys in our synchronous times and in class. You can come in here and redraw it. Redraw this drawing and get better at it. I don't need quality. I'm looking, and look how nice this is. You can come out here and just bring the lip. Oh yeah, you can really see my lip, right? All right, I'm shutting this down. Okay, guys, this was a lot of fun, and again, I've got a lot to learn, and this process is getting interesting, right? See, you can come in here, you can soften this up, you can come in here if you want, and just go and then maybe work through that. Who knows? I can come in here and do something like this, okay? So look, I can spend more time in here. There's so much we can do, guys. I can add the nostrils. Okay, I can bring this part. So there's a lot you can do each time. And this is way off my drawing, but it's a good first for me, okay? Without any warm-up. This is insane to do that. Okay, Command S, I'm done. Balian, oops, hang on, cancel this. I'll just say Balian out, okay? Thank you.